At Spazzolplastica, we project and manufacture wire winding solutions, paying attention to the environmental impact. Our experience, combined with constant research and innovation, allows us to accompany our customers in the best possible way, guaranteeing the quality of our products and services. Different models available, designed for both high-precision layer and random wiring. 33 pounds capacity, higher capacity up to 60 pounds. Integrated painting service, copper-coated wire available. It can be sold as scrap at the end of its life. Different models available, designed for both high-precision layer and random winding. 12 inches to 16 inches to 17.126 inches outside diameter. Copper-coated and uncoppered wire available. Integrated painting service. It can be sold as scrap at the end of its life. Reusable, modular, durable. Patented by Spazzolplastica. 100% recycled plastic materials. 100% sustainable. Space optimization in transport and storage thanks to its conical shape. Fully hermetic and with wire level indicator. All accessories are available. Inner core, pressure ring, Mexican hat, hood and hermetic lid. Different capacity available. 500 pounds versus 1,200 pounds. Designed to fit all standard drum packers. Produced using recycled plastic material sourced from trusted suppliers. Designed for both high-precision layer and random winding. Different models available for winding 11 pounds or 15 pounds. Produced using recycled plastic material sourced from trusted suppliers. Designed for both high-precision layer and random winding. Different models available in shape and in capacity for winding 33 pounds or 44 pounds. It can be customized in terms of length, size, and color. Thanks to this know-how, we can develop other options. Contact us for further information on our products or to develop with us a new project. We have a customer-oriented approach, and our commitment is to develop tailor-made solutions.